Sean here with AttractZen. I am excited to announce our AI-powered website assistant for your business. So why would you even possibly be interested in this? It would probably be for those where if you're saying, hey, you know what? I'd like a more clean, polished website. I don't need a full-blown, like custom build solution that's going to cost an arm and a leg, but I would like something for my website that looks nice, it looks professional, it looks polished, it represents my business well, and it's going to have a lot of best practices built in. So here's what is included. So we've got dozens and dozens of proven templates from professional designers to choose from if you'd like. And then what the AI does is it customizes that for your specific business, your colors, your fonts, your graphics, and for content. And the great part is it is automatically natively integrated with all these other things that most of us as businesses want. We don't just want like a glorified business card. We actually want maybe some funnels. Maybe we want it to integrate with, CRM, or we want to be able to see what how many people visited the site, who visited the site, if we have any forms or quizzes or surveys or blogs or storefronts or QR codes, webinars, live chat widget. We integrate with all of it right natively into our system with the AI. So we start out with an AI design kit. If you don't have a design kit, you can pick one. If you've got one already with like some logos and some colors and some fonts, it'll use that. And then we move on to brand voice. So brand voice is where, again, we're really training the website assistant, the AI website assistant, all about your brand. We're answering some questions. We can glean a lot of this from like any existing website or materials you may have about your business, but we're giving it a lot of, data on brand identity, market positioning, unique selling proposition, risks of inaction, call to action. And then we get into the website builder itself. You could start from blank, but most people choose either one of, hundreds of proven templates, or you can have Funnel AI like build the whole thing from scratch just using AI for funnels or for websites. You pick an industry, and it gets pretty specific here, into what are you looking to do if you're building a funnel, if you're building a website. So again, here's just an example, a tip of the iceberg really, when it comes to funnel templates that you can start off of. Blogs, if you need blogs, we've got that as well baked in, and it creates really nice optimized SEO optimized blog posts, web forms, online stores, quizzes, and the even webinars. So if you want an on-demand webinar, if you're into webinars, or if you want to do a live webinar or an on-demand webinar. And we also have a chat widget. So this is an AI-powered chat widget. It can have a live two-way chat. It can escalate it to like a phone call or an SMS or an email. If you're in some areas, WhatsApp is more popular even than like SMS, but really we've got that all-in-one chat widget where you can train it. Again, it's branded to your business. You can give it business hours, all kinds of things like that. Across all the websites, you can monitor your analytics. You can see who's visiting from where. Why did we build all this, and why should you listen to us? I built the number 13 team in the world with Keller Williams. We did 4.8 million in GCI or revenue in our last full year. And what we've built here with this AI website assistant, it's really part of an entire AI workforce for small businesses. So not just a website assistant, but you can start with this if you need to. If you've also got other jobs or parts of your org chart or parts of your business that are leaking or have holes, or you'd really like, to have somebody fill those without it having to be like a very expensive human or a very monotonous, set of tasks, or normally a very expensive vendor or something that you would hire. We've got other AI employees that are all part of this workforce, this ecosystem. And so you can plug and play, you can mix and match. It's really up to you. Again, here we've got just, tons of features, tons of value that the AI website assistant brings. If you're interested, sign up somewhere around this video, schedule your one-on-one onboarding call. We then launch within 72 hours of that successful onboarding call, and you will have an AI powered website assistant who's built out that website and is monitoring it in the background for you. Let us know how else we can help you, and look forward to hearing from you soon.